Hey guys, let's talk about something that a lot of men deal with but not many want to talk about: erectile dysfunction, and more importantly, how to use Eroxon Gel the right way. ED is more common than you might think, and it can affect men of all ages, not just older guys. It's nothing to be embarrassed about, and taking steps to address it is a sign of strength, not weakness. This is a quick and simple guide so you can get the best results and boost your confidence. Whether you're new to Eroxon, or just want to make sure you're using it correctly, I'll walk you through every step so you can feel comfortable and prepared. First things first, Eroxon Gel is designed for men who want fast, on-demand help with ED. It's a topical gel, which means you apply it directly where it's needed, and it starts working right away. It's not a magic potion, but it's clinically proven to work for a lot of guys, often within minutes. The results can be pretty impressive, and for many men, it's a game changer that fits easily into their routine. Let's get into the application. It's straightforward, but a few simple tips can make a big difference in how well it works for you. Before you start, make sure your hands and your area down there are clean and dry. Hygiene matters, not just for comfort, but to avoid irritation. Taking a moment to wash up helps prevent any bacteria from getting into sensitive areas and ensures the gel can do its job without interference. Now, Eroxon Gel comes in these small, single-dose applicators. Each one is perfectly measured, so you don't have to guess how much to use. Tear one open right before you're ready to use it. The packaging is discreet and easy to open, so you can keep things private and convenient. No need to prep in advance, fresh is best. Using it right away ensures the gel is at its most effective, and you don't have to worry about it drying out or losing potency. Squeeze the gel straight onto the head of the penis. This is the area where the gel is designed to be absorbed quickly and start working. That's where it works its magic. The active ingredients are absorbed through the skin, so direct contact is key. Use the full dose. Don't try to save some for later. The amount in each applicator is carefully measured for one use, so you get the right effect every time. Gently smooth it around the tip and the upper shaft. Take your time to make sure it's evenly distributed, but there's no need to rub it in aggressively. You want a nice, even coat without rubbing it in too hard. Being gentle helps avoid irritation and lets the gel absorb naturally. Think of it more like applying sunscreen than hand lotion. You want coverage, not a deep massage. Now just wait about 60 seconds. This short wait gives the gel time to absorb and start working. You may start to feel a cooling or tingling sensation pretty quickly. That's normal. It's a sign the gel is activating, and most guys find it's not uncomfortable at all. If you feel any pain or burning, stop and wash it off. Safety first, always. Everyone's skin is different, so listen to your body, and don't push through discomfort. After the minute's up, you're good to go. There's no need to rinse it off, and you can move forward with confidence. Eroxon absorbs fast, so you won't have to worry about mess or stickiness. Your hands and skin should feel clean, and you can get on with your day or night without any hassle. And you're ready whenever the moment strikes. No planning hours ahead, no awkward waiting. It's all about spontaneity and making intimacy feel natural again. A quick reminder, Eroxon is for external use only. Never ingest it or use it internally, and always follow the instructions on the package. Don't use it if you have open sores, allergies to the ingredients, or if your partner is pregnant unless your doctor says it's okay. If you notice any redness or irritation, stop and consult a healthcare professional. And if you're using condoms, check the instructions to make sure they're compatible. Some gels can affect certain types of condoms, so double check to stay safe. So that's it. Fast, easy, and discreet. You can keep Eroxon in your drawer or travel bag, and no one has to know unless you want them to. If you've been looking for a new way to tackle ED, Eroxon Gel might be worth a try. It's a modern solution that puts you in control and helps you feel like yourself again. Stay healthy, stay confident, and take control of your health. Remember, you're not alone, and there are always options out there to help you feel your best. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight talk on men's health. ITC